Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the realities of owning and running a small business. My name is Rob, and today we're going to be talking about connecting Google Search Console to your WordPress website. Before we jump in, I do want to forewarn you that today is a very beautiful day in Florida, and I have my windows open here, so you might hear an occasional bird chirp or a car zoom on by. So I apologize, and hopefully won't be too much of a disruption for y'all. All right, so let's jump into Google Search Console. What is it? Very simply, it is a tool that shows how a website is performing on Google Search and what can be done to improve a site's appearance on search. You don't have to sign up with Google Search to be included in search results, but doing so allows you to understand and improve how Google sees your site. So the way I look at it, you have a website and you publish it, Google is going to find your website and index it so you will show up in search results. However, let's pretend you have a 4-page website and 1 or 2 of the pages have some issues and Google's unable to index those. Without a tool like Search Console, you're never going to know. It's very easy to connect. Do it, use it, and monitor your website performance. So if there are any issues, you will know right away and you can go ahead and fix them or get them fixed. So some of the things you'll see within Google Search Console: your backlinks, your search queries, performance metrics. You could submit a sitemap, and so much more. But today is not about the ins and outs of Search Console. For that, Google search it and learn about what it can do for your website. And I will have a video on this in the future and kind of go a lot more in depth than what we're going to do today. Because today it is all about the installation side. Well, first thing, you're going to need 3 tools. You're going to need a WordPress plugin called WP Code, your site URL, and the Google account to access Search Console. So we're going to go ahead and go on the back of WordPress. Once you log in, you go to plugins, and here you will do add new plugin. Go to search plugins and type in WP Code. It will pop up here. Now I already have mine installed, so I have this update now button. You will see here install now. Click on that. Once it installs, you will be able to activate the plugin. Once it's activated, you're going to see it here. It's called Code Snippets. Click on it, and there's WP Code. So now we're going to go to Google. We need to get into Search Console. So you type in search.google.com, and it's going to bring up 2 properties. You want the URL prefix. Click on it, and type in your website. HTTPS, if I could type mytestsite.com, and then continue. You're going to get a screen like this. You want to go to HTML tag. Click on the down arrow. This is the code that you want. Click on copy. Copy to the clipboard. Go back into WordPress. Go to Code Snippets. Add new. From here, you go to add your custom code. And remember, this is an HTML tag. So here we're going to click HTML snippet. This screen will come up. You want to paste your code right here. And you also want to put in your title. So search continue down. Auto insert should be defaulted to there. Any device type. And here, site-wide header. It should come up automatically, but you want to make sure you're putting it into site-wide header. Keep going down. Any device type, you don't have to put anything in here, and you can ignore the rest of this. Come back up to the top. Click to activate, and then you want to save the snippet. I'm not going to save anything. I don't want to mess up anything or forget to come back and delete this, so I'm going to take this out now. Once you hit save, you're going to come back here. You're going to come to the same area you were in before, but this time you're going to click verify. For me, it is not going to verify because I didn't save the snippet, so I'm getting this failure. If you don't wait a few minutes after saving, you may get this as well. Just give it a few minutes, and then to see if complete, we come here, put the URL prefix back in, ownership auto-verified. Guys, that is it. Once you're done and it's in there, you will come up here and you can search the properties, whatever site you have connected, and you can see all sorts of information. So really, that is about it. Nice and easy. Very quick video for you all. Hopefully it works for you and you can get yourself connected to the Search Console and start using it right away. Thank you all very much. Have a great week ahead. Bye-bye now.